Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a quick review, swatch, and tutorial on the MAC Cosmetics Extra Dimension Blush in the particular shade Hush Tone, which is described as a neutralized pink peach shade. And there are 5 different shades to choose from. I did purchase mine at Ulta Beauty, and this is the most kind of peachy beige shade out of the 5 colors. Now this does retail for $29 for 0.14 ounces of product, and what it is a modern hybrid blush which combines the smoothness of a cream, the blendability of a liquid, and the finish of a powder with long-wearing color and prismatic reflections. From soft pastels to corals and plums, this blush delivers polished textures that reflect light and leave a smooth second skin finish. Now, I usually don't, or I've actually never tried a blush that is reflective. So this is my first time and I honestly love it. I do prefer glowy looks and more glassy skin, dewy looks for my preference. And this is just perfect for that, and I would highly recommend it for those of you that like this kind of shade, that like the dewy and glassy looks. And this is what it looks like on the skin, very close up. I'm using the Japanesque brush, which I have been loving using with my blushes lately, and there you go. It isn't offensively shiny, it's not a highlighter, still blush, but definitely gives my skin still glowy and dewy. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, hope it helped you out in any way that it could, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.